It's important to remain positive. Change really is the only constant we have in our lives. And as the old mixes with the new, we can resist or we can go with the ebb and the flow that is our lives. And life is like that. Sometimes it feels like nothing is happening. And other days, well, a lot of things can happen in the blink of an eye. Certainly to watch the work at the pier from early Friday morning invoked many emotions from many of us. The first 110-foot pile was lowered into place with the vibrational hammer and easily penetrated the silty ground until it hit bedrock. It was then that the more traditional method of driving piles with an explosive impact hammer was put into place to finish the job. The work moved quickly, and over the course of Friday and Saturday, 18 piles were pushed and vibrated into the silty sand. With the rest of the Victoria Day weekend off for these busy men, work resumed early Tuesday morning, with the remaining piles all being impacted through the bedrock by noon. Now the steel guide will be disassembled and rebuilt to repeat the process again. As with all life, everything changes every day, in every way. So a great place to start and finish all happiness is on your own. Your life is a gift, and that's a great reason to stay positive.